What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shoreline Rail Fender channel here on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back to another adventure here on the sweet Kiamichi line. We're back again, and this time I think we either got a BNSF or KR or Union Pacific train. The horn really gets me worried, but I don't know. And they're going pretty fast, so this may be a UP. I don't know. Let's find out here on the Kiamichi Railroad. It's coming from the bushes back there. I'm also here with my mom. Alrighty, guys. My buddy Marshall might be down at the museum crossing. I'm not for sure. They done the rail fender honk with probably a UP engine. I don't know. It probably might be 4080 because that kind of sound like and look like 4080. Here they come down the hot rails at the KR. Here they come. They're going pretty fast. So I think they may. Mother? They're going fast. This looks like another engine, not from the KR, and there's a moth. Here they go. Woo! The first trailer. Sorry for the wind. The storm's supposed to move in tonight. Y'all, this is an awful long grain train. They might be going on that spur to drop off cars. Holy moly, look at all the cars behind the train. To be honest with you guys, it's 8:55 right now. 71 battery percentage. It's like, oh wow, that's a short train. Only a 4-minute train. And they're off. There goes Kiamichi Freddy. Bye, Freddy. You know what, guys? How about we go catch them at Highway 70 bypass? Let's head there now. Highway 70 bypass. The grass is too tall for me to go over there, so I'm just gonna stay right there. Oh, hi, there's a camera right there. What's up, camera? What's up, man? Real fanning. Oh, yeah. I'm right by the bell. Let's go. Nice. You know what? I'm gonna get right here. There goes everybody. There's me over there. Alright, here we go, guys, on the Kiamichi Railroad here on the hot rails at the new, not really new no more, new highway Highway 37 crossing here at a Highway 70. It's called Highway 70 crossing, but people really call it 37. They downgraded with no cantilever. They downgraded to no cantilever and put just gates. Just gates. That's all they put on these. Which sucked because they was going to put the activator, it doesn't really activate in time. These gates go down in time. The speed used to be fast, but like now, not really no more. This is where my buddy Marshall got his calendar at. My brother, he got his calendar that they threw him out the train. They ever do that for me. I really don't like these places, but I do it because I love it. And I want some more of it. Here we go! Here we go! Woo! I wanted this video to be a longer video, so I just come out to Highway 70. Alright, here's where the grain train starts. I grow grass on it right there. I find grow grass. Right there. We're mainly that's cool. Alright, here's the lumber cars where it's the end of the train. That smells like lumber. Or center beams is what I call it. I like to call it center beams, y'all can call it whatever. It is now 9:07. All this together, it makes a whole 9-minute video, which is a good duration for my channel. Alrighty guys, and there goes Kim and Freddy. There they're off. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed. There they go. They're going down to Hugo, Oklahoma. They'll be back tomorrow with more loaded freight cars and any more else that you could think of. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to and post notifications. Go subscribe to JD Trains. Go subscribe to Marshall Price. Go subscribe to all my buddies and Samurai Gamer 307. Go subscribe to them all in the Shortline Rail Fender group. Thank you guys for watching. Freddy.